In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make one of these toys from the game Among Us. Here you can see two different sizes. I used the cotton from the brand Casasol to make both sizes, but one cotton is the size L and the other cotton is the size M. And to make the size M, I used a 2mm crochet hook. To make the size L, I used a 3mm crochet hook. You also need scissors, a needle, a stitch marker and wadding. Now let's go with the pattern with the step-by-step. Start with the body and start making a slip knot and make a chain 5. Chain 5. Once you have the chain 5, you have to start with chain 1, and on the second stitch from the hook you have to make 1 increase. Place the marker. Remember, 1 increase is to make 2 stitches on the same space. Continue with 3 single crochet. At the corner, 1 increase of 5 stitches, so you have to make 5 single crochet on the first chain at the corner. Continue on the other side of the chain, making 3 single crochet, and at the other corner you have to make 3 single crochet, an increase of 3 stitches. You have now 16 stitches. On the row number 3 you have to make 1 single crochet around. You have to make 16 single crochet. Row number 4. Start with 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 3 single crochet, 1 increase, 3 single crochet, 1 increase again, 3 single crochet, and finish this row with 1 increase and 2 single crochet. You finished this row with 20 single crochet. Now from the row 5 to the row 11 you have to make 1 single crochet around, 20 single crochet from the row 5 to the row 11. Row 12 you have to make 7 single crochet to arrive at the middle of the body. And you have to count to the left 10 stitches. On the stitch number 10 you have to make 1 slip stitch, and now you have to start working the legs, one leg and later the other leg. Start here making 1 single crochet and you have to work the first leg with 10 single crochet, Once you have the 10 single crochet you have to remove the marker and make the second row, start the second row where you have the marker. So work 1 leg and you have to make 3 rows with 10 single crochet, 3 rows with 10 single crochet. Now you have to stuff the toy, you have to stuff with wadding the body and 1 leg, and you have to make now 5 decreases. Five decreases and you can fasten off. Once you finished 1 leg, you have to place the yarn on the middle of the body to start the second leg, And you also have to make 3 rows with 10 stitches, 10 single crochet. So make the 10 single crochet, remember, start the second row where you have the first stitch, the first single crochet of the previous row. So repeat the same that you made with the other leg. 3 rows with 10 single crochet, 1 row with 5 decreases, stuff a little bit, and you can fasten off the other leg. You finished the body and you have to make the back and the mask. Start the back making a chain 5, chain 1 and make 1 increase, three single crochet, one increase at the corner of 5 stitches, so 5 stitches at the corner, three single crochet, and at the end of the chain an increase of 3 stitches, 3 single crochet at the other corner. Now you have to make from the row 3 to the row 7 1 single crochet around. You have 16 stitches, so you have to repeat from the row 3 to the row 7 16 single crochet. Once you have the row 7, you have to start making a treble decrease. You have to take the front part of the loops of the 3 following stitches and close the 3 stitches together, making a treble decrease. Continue with 4 single crochet, again a treble decrease, four single crochet again, and you can cut the yarn leaving a long tail. And you have to close the bottom part of the back with a needle. and you have to sew the back on the back. Now to make the mask you have to start with the white yarn. I will explain it with purple yarn again, but you have to start with white yarn. Chain 3, start with chain 1 and make 1 increase on the first stitch. One single crochet in the middle, at the corner 4 single crochet, one single crochet in the middle of the other side, and finish with 1 increase. You have to make a slip stitch with the first stitch, and you have to cut the white yarn and place the black yarn. Chain 1 and make 1 single crochet on each stitch with the black yarn. 1 single crochet on each stitch. Once you finish the last stitch, you have to make a slip stitch with the first stitch of the row and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing. And you only have to sew the mask on the front part of the body. And you finished your toy. Remember that I used 2 different sizes of yarn, and you can make the toy with the colors that you prefer.